Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today we're going to play around with foil a little more. I have several videos where I've done some foiling on different types of products, stickers, inserts, and today I'm going to do a little more experimenting with printing and foiling. I pulled out a piece of this lavender paper for all my purple lovers out there. We're going to print on it and foil on this as well. And then I also went ahead and used the grunge flourish pattern on this silver vellum and printed it on there, and we're going to try that one out too. So let's go ahead and print this one. Okay, so here's the purple version. So we have 3 additional things to play around with here. Just need to determine what colors I want to use. So I have the hollow, I have the gunmetal, which I like a lot. I have the gold, the rose gold. I have the hot pink. I really want to do something with those lips. We could do the hot pink on black paper with the lips. Let's do that. I have some black paper here that's just kind of been sitting on my desk, so I'm going to go ahead and print those lips on here. Okay, so we're just going to be foiling up a storm here. So I need to go ahead and figure out what colors I want to put on what. I definitely think I'm going to go with the gunmetal on the silver. I just think the hollow would be too much. I'll do the hollow on the purple, the rose gold on the white, and then so hollow on the purple, because I'll forget, rose gold on the white, and then gunmetal here, and this is for the lips. So we'll get to the lips in a minute. Let's go ahead and trim this down. That's like the most time-consuming part, is trimming it down, because you don't really want to waste any. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it at 11 inches. Since we know our paper is 11 inches. So this one is ready to go. Set that aside. Let's do the next one. So here we have the lips, and I'm going to do the hot pink foil for this one. This is another box of foil that I had not opened yet. And as you can see, this came from Hobby Lobby. Regular price was $9.99. I got it on clearance for $3.59. And this was probably sometime last year, maybe the year before. It's been sitting on my shelf for quite some time. But that's what happens when I buy stuff on clearance sometimes. I don't always use it right away, but I'll get to it eventually. Come on, tape. As you can see, the tape does not want to come off. I don't really want to waste any foil. That's probably going to cause an issue. Phooey. Let's just go on and trim that off and use it for something else another time. So I don't want any problems with this. It's just foiling, round of foiling. So let's trim it right there. So that one is done. Let's save this one for last. I think that one's going to be the coolest of them all. We got this one. Okay, so again, I'm going to use my misprinted insert here that was printed on a inkjet printer to make my sandwich. And this one is the most iffy of them because of that little nick in the paper right there in the foil, but hopefully it'll be fine. My laminator is hot. Put it on the printed side, foil side up, and just roll it through here. So that one's done. I'm going to set it aside and do the next one. Line it up. Let's do these in this order. Let's see. So this is the first one that I intended to do with the rose gold foil. This is the insert, just printed on white paper. And that's what that looks like. Quite pretty. It's got a few wrinkles in the paper from going through the laminator, but I think I could get those out easily enough. So there's that one. And I'm thinking that as long as your insert is black, you could probably do this with any black insert that you print on a laser printer. Then here's this one on the purple paper. That's what it looks like. Trying to catch the light. Again, it's wrinkly, but that's easily ironed out. Probably could run it through the laminator again. Then this is the gunmetal on the silver vellum. Wow, that used a lot of it. A lot of foil. And it's beautiful. Look at that. So the edges of the vellum seem like they want to curl up. I think that's from the heat. But look how pretty that is. Okay. Then, oh, that's just the, and I think those wrinkles are coming from this paper, so I won't be using that again. That needs to retire. And let's see what the lips look like. Drum roll, please. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay. Look at that. Wow. Okay. So that is it. Just playing around with foil, seeing what things you can add foil to. So we foiled these patterns that are available in the shop on my website at scrapcraftastic.com, and this insert that is also available. Look for the foil ready category, and anything that I have that is suitable for foiling other than just regular inserts will be in that category. So check it out. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic For more exclusive content and digital downloads, visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for junk journals, live craft videos, and weekly vlogs. You might also be interested in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group, where we have a 2020 weekly planner challenge going on. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!